Tired of that Airtel wallet money just sitting there unused? Let's get that money moving. First, open your Airtel Thanks app. Make sure you're on the Manage tab. It's usually at the bottom. You'll see a wallet icon. Tap on it. This takes you to your Airtel wallet dashboard. Now, look for the option to send money to bank or something similar. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on your app version. Tap on that option. You'll be prompted to enter the bank account details. Carefully enter the account holder's name, the bank account number, and the bank's IFSC code. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer from your Airtel wallet to your bank account. Review the transfer details one last time: the bank name, account number, and the amount. If everything looks correct, tap on Confirm or Send. You might need to enter your Airtel Payments bank PIN or use an OTP to complete the transaction. Once done, you'll see a confirmation message that the money has been successfully transferred. That's it, your money is on its way to your bank account.